Hey everyone, welcome aboard! Today we'll see how to use the present continuous. First, when should we use it? We use the present continuous for continued actions happening now. As you can see here, he usually wears sneakers, but now he is wearing boots. The first part, he usually wears sneakers, this is the present simple. We use it for habits, routine. You can see it in my other video. The link is up here where I explain more about the present simple. Now the second part, but now he is wearing boots, this is the present continuous. He is wearing boots. Check it out. We use subject plus verb to be plus verb ending in ing. Subjects: I, he, she, it, we, you, they. Verb to be: am, is, are. Verb plus ing. Example here is working. So, I am working. He is working. She is working. It is working. We are working. You are working. They are working. This is how we form the present continuous. Here, you can see more examples. I am eating pizza now. He is walking. We are studying. And also the contracted forms. I'm drinking wine. I am becomes I'm. She is traveling. She is becomes she's. They're working in the office. They are becomes their. This is the contracted form. All these sentences refer to actions that are happening right now. They are in progress right now. Again, it's verb to be plus verb ending in ing. But how can we add ing to a verb? What are the rules? Let's see the rules now. Present participle spelling rules. Verb plus ing. Well, with most verbs, as you can see here with the verb work, we add ing. We don't remove any letter. We don't add any letter. We just add ing, working. But if a verb ends in letter E, we remove letter E and then add ing. As you see here with the verb live, living. When the verb ends in ie, as with the verb tie, we remove letters I and E, and we add ying, as you see here with the verb tie, tying. Now, if a verb ends in consonant, vowel, consonant, what we usually do is we double the final consonant and then add ing, as you see here with the verb stop, stopping, with double P plus ing. These are some basic rules. If you want to know more about how to add ing to a verb, there's another video I made a while ago. The link is up here. You can go check it out. Now let's see some more examples. Here, with the verb speak, we're speaking English. The verb speak, you just add ing, speaking. Now with the verb lie, he is lying to you. Lie ends in ie. We remove these two letters and we add ying, lying. They're swimming. The verb swim ends in consonant, vowel, consonant, wim. So we double the final consonant. We double letter M swimming with double M. Now I'm writing a letter. Write ends in letter E. We remove letter E and we add ing, writing. She is shopping downtown. Shopping ends in consonant, vowel, consonant. We double the final letter. Shopping with double P. And finally, they're making mistakes. Make, the verb make, ends in E, letter E. We remove letter E and we add ing, making. Now let's see how to use the present continuous when asking questions. The interrogative form. Here it is. Affirmative, he is playing soccer. Interrogative, is he playing soccer? When we ask a question, we swap subject and verb. He is becomes is he. As you can see here, am I working? Is he, is she, is it working? Are we, are you, are they working? Verb to be, subject, verb plus ing. Some more examples here. Are we going to the beach? Are is verb to be, we is subject, going is verb plus ing. Is she drinking juice? Is it working? Are they studying now? Is he going to school? What are they eating? In all these examples, there's verb to be plus subject plus verb ending in ing. This is how we ask questions using the present continuous. And what about the negative form? Let's see it now. Some examples. The first one, they are wearing shoes, but they are not wearing socks. As you can see, the first part is affirmative, they are wearing, but the second part is negative, they are not wearing. We add the word not after verb to be. I am not working. He, she, it is not working. We, you, they are not working. And we can also use contractions. I am not becomes I'm not. He is not becomes he's not or he isn't. You are not becomes you're not or you aren't. As you can see in these examples, he isn't studying now. They aren't working. I'm not washing the car. They aren't cooking. It isn't working. I'm not sleeping. All these sentences refer to continuous actions in the present, things that are happening right now at this moment. We can also use the present continuous when we refer to the future, when we make plans for the future. But this is a topic for a future video. For now, this is your homework. There are 6 sentences here. They're all affirmative, and you have to turn them into negative and interrogative. Please leave it in the comments, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. Don't forget to keep practicing, and also like, subscribe, and that's it for now. See you. Bye.